Processing database.
What's up, programmers and hackers? I'm Saber and this is my channel. I will teach you all programming languages and all methods of hacking with or without Kali Linux system. All you need is to get a computer or a phone, and to subscribe on the channel, to hit the notifications bell, and the rest is on me. Today we will start a comprehensive course in HTML that will spare you from anything else. So let's get to know the HTML language more. First and foremost, HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, allows web users to create and structure sections, paragraphs, and links using elements, tags, and attributes. However, it's worth noting that HTML is not considered a programming language as it can't create dynamic functionality. In addition, HTML has a lot of use cases, namely, web development. Developers use HTML code to design how a browser displays web page elements, such as text, hyperlinks, and media files. Internet navigation. Users can easily navigate and insert links between related pages and websites, as HTML is heavily used to embed hyperlinks. Web documentation. HTML makes it possible to organize and format documents, similarly to Microsoft Word. Don't worry, we don't need this information, so don't worry about it. Now, let's move on to setting up the work environment. All you have to do is download Visual Studio. I will leave you his direct link in the description box. After that, you need to set up the Visual Studio. Don't worry, it's easy. After that, open the Visual Studio and create a new text file. Then choose the language HTML. And save the file. That's it, guys, for creating the work environment for HTML language. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to hit the notification bell to be notified tomorrow when I upload the next tutorial video. Love you all. Thanks for watching, programmers and hackers.